Welcome to this wonderful home listed at 117 Phil Mickelson, a golf course community located in Round Rock, Texas. This wonderful home has a grand entryway which leads into a formal dining room servicing 8 or more, a separate office in front, an expansive living area with 15-foot ceilings that leads to the master bedroom and upstairs main living. The kitchen is spacious, open, with plenty of cabinets, and leads to a sitting room. The master bedroom is on the main floor and has his and her sinks in the master, as well as a separate garden tub and large walk-in shower. The upstairs second living area divides the second, third, and fourth and fifth bedrooms with plenty of living area. This also has a separate media room. The second bedroom looks to the west side of the home and has a Jack and Jill bath leading into bedroom number 3. Bedroom 3 is currently used as an exercise room. The fourth and fifth bedrooms are already painted and ready for teens and young children. This also includes a third full bath off the upstairs. Lovely shaded backyard. This property is offered at $372,500 by Remax and Butch Novak. More info can be seen at forestcreekhomefinders.com.